Hey there, LogDog321 here, and today I have the Neato XV-14 robotic vacuum cleaner. I got this on a Black Friday sale, and let's open it up and see how well this thing performs. This is just going to be an unboxing, and first look. There we go, cut open. First thing you see is this lovely shade of orange. It's quite bright. And it looks like the box is in two parts here. So let's pull out the robot. It's covered in this type of bubble wrap. Wow, this thing is in here tight. They really work to protect it. Just want to make sure you guys can see. Okay, oh, you're good. So, here we go. Robot is out. Let's just unscrew the tripod. There we go. And let's open up. Comes out of its little egg there. Interesting little bubble. Never seen one of those before. Okay, let's see. Hello, you're just minutes away from having Neato, that's me, do the vacuuming for you. Please turn me over and follow the simple instructions to connect my battery. Thank you. Let's just take the little tape off while we're up. You know what? I'm going to flip it over. So, here we go. Okay. And then we have a quick start guide that looks like a user guide on a CD. But instructions for connecting the battery. I'm going to need a Phillips head screwdriver. 1 minute then, please. I will be right back. But in the meantime, here's the bottom of the robot, and I'll leave you looking at the top. Here we go, Phillips head screwdriver, and it says, open this up, and okay, access the battery, plug battery connector in until firmly seated. Isn't this already firmly seated? Let's try pulling the battery out and making sure. Yeah, that's in there, as tight as it will be. Replace battery door and secure using the 2 screws provided. Okay, so I just opened the battery door and made sure that the screws were already in. Made sure that it was already attached. Okay, whatever. If that's what you want me to do, Mr. Neat, then I shall do it. And if I can get the screw, there we go. Now the screw's seated. Okay, oh, on the back here, we have a charging port. We also have a USB port under this little cover here, and that can be used for upgrades or for hacking, which you might see a couple videos on. This is the dustbin. Just a little quick tour around the robot. And then if I can put it in. Up here is the control panel. And it looks like the batteries need to be charged, but that is to be expected. Sorry about that. Let's get the box back over here. And take a look at what comes in the accessories box for the Costco edition, Neato XV-14. You open it up. First thing we see are rubber strips for the beater bar and a rubber squeegee. The magnetic tape, you can use this to block areas off. Extra filters. And the charging base. Wow, this thing is big compared to the Roomba charging base. There will be a lot of videos on all this, so if you haven't seen much, don't worry. I will. Sorry about that once again. I will be charging. Wow, I keep hitting the tripod today. I will be charging this thing up, and we will see how it performs pretty soon. Once again, this was just an unboxing and first look. We'll take a review here after I get a chance to use it. So this has been a LogDog321 production. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Have a great day.